In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use strips and sections to add visual variety and organize content on your web page. Let's dive into how these elements can transform your site's layout into something both functional and visually appealing. Let's start by discussing strips. Strips serve a distinct purpose. They add visual variety and help organize content within a section. Imagine them as versatile tools that can break up monotony and give your page a dynamic feel. Strips can be divided into columns, which allows you to arrange content side by side effortlessly. This means you can place text on one side and an image or video on the other, thereby creating a balanced and engaging visual narrative. For instance, if you're showcasing a product, you might choose to display a captivating photo alongside the description. This approach not only highlights your content, but also makes it more digestible for your audience. Moving on, let's explore sections, which are essentially the main containers of your web page. Think of sections as the fundamental building blocks of your site structure. They are crucial because they define the major areas of your web page, like About, Services, or Contact. Each section acts as a distinct area where you can house related content, and together they form the backbone of your site's layout. One of the great features of sections is the ability to name and link them directly from your site's menu. This not only enhances navigation, but also makes it remarkably easy to create anchor links for a single-page website. These links can transport your visitors directly to specific sections without them having to scroll endlessly. For example, if someone clicks on Services in your navigation menu, they'll be taken directly to that section. This improves user experience by ensuring that viewers can find the information they seek quickly and conveniently. Now, how do you combine strips and sections effectively? Begin by structuring your web page using sections as the overarching containers. Decide on the main points or categories you want to showcase. Once your sections are in place, incorporate strips within these sections to create a more engaging layout. A section titled About, for example, might contain multiple strips, one showcasing your company's history with text, and the next featuring a video testimony from a satisfied customer. To sum it up, while sections lay down the essential framework of your web page, strips allow you to introduce variety and order to the content within these sections. By using both effectively, you can craft a site that's not only easy to navigate, but also captivating to explore. I hope these insights help you take your site design and functionality to the next level. Thank you for watching, and be sure to tune in for more tips and tricks on enhancing your web design skills.